Hi friends, this is Parna here. Welcome to my channel Parna's Creation. Hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to show you how to make cute quill artwork by using paper quilling strip. So let's start with the procedure. For this we need quilling paper, quilling tool, scissor, molder and glue. And a paper. First I am taking black color 5 mm quilling strip. You can take 10 mm or 2 mm of your choice. It will be my central of the flower. You can use any other color instead of black color to make it. Make a small circle, not a bigger ones, as it will be the central of the flower. It need to be small. Again, I will take yellow color 5 mm quilling strip. You can take any other color of your choice and any other mm. I will take 6 strips to make the flower petal. I will quill the strip using the quilling tool that's shown in the procedure. You can get all the tools in the market and the strip also in the market. If it is not available, then you can buy it online, Amazon or Flipkart. Make this a big circle, not a small ones, as it will be the flower petal. It need to be big. Quill the strip properly. As you can see, it is a difficult task to quill the strip, so it needs lots of practice and time. It's a time consuming process to quill the strip. After quilling the strip, take the mold and mold it in a circle way, or you can use your finger to make it. Then bend the one side of the paper, quill paper, as you can see, like this way, to get the shape. 4 petals by using the quill process. Now again I will take green color strip to make the leaves of the flower. Quill the flower tightly, then make it loose. Quill the green paper and make a loose coil, as you can see here. Then bend the edge of the quill so that you can get the teardrop shape. For leaves, you can make a teardrop shape. Make a teardrop shape by pinching the edge of the quill strip. Now take a paper. I have joined the 4 A4 size paper to make this thick paper. Now draw a bend line like this and make like this to get the proper shape and proper structure. Take the green strip and a glue. Now fill the line where you mark with the glue and place the green strip on it so that it looks like a stream. the string carefully. Another strip and quill the strip like this in the round shape, so you will get the rounded strip shape and place it by applying glue. Use any other color. Green is optional color. You can use black as well. From earlier I have made these flower petals, yellow flower petals. To make this you need quilling strip. Just join one quilling strip and make these types of flower petal easily. I will try to show this on my next video, so stay tuned. Now take the round flower petals which you have made earlier and place it like this. It will be tricky, but do it as I have done here, and as well as it will be a messy job. Like this, put some force on it so that it will place in the right place. Put the flower petal correctly so that they will look nice like a flower. Join the four petal by using fabric glue. You can use any other glue. Now, as I join the petals, I will make some leaves. I have taken as earlier the 5 mm green strip and I make it a teardrop shape. So I will put some glue on the places where I will like to place, and I will press it on the right place to get stick on it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Parna's Creation for more such videos ideas. For more finishing detail, take 10 mm quilling strip. I have taken the pink 10 mm strip. I place in the end like a frame so that it will look good at the end. You can place any other color or any other option. It's up to you. Follow me on Instagram at the rate of Parnas Creation for more such ideas, and if you make this, please tag me on the Instagram.